Control your operations with technology built for tomorrow. With unique object-oriented agent design and Excel-based file configuration, you don't waste time scripting, you can build faster, reduce engineering time, and cut project costs by up to 50%. Designed to simplify engineering, Adroit helps your team deliver projects faster, with less effort and greater efficiency. From small operations to enterprise-scale plants, Adroit grows with you. Flexible licensing from 30 to unlimited scan points, native drivers included, unlimited concurrent operators, high availability architecture built for uptime, performance, and ROI. Monitor operations anywhere. Control performance everywhere. With HTML5 dashboards, mobile alerts, and AI-powered cloud analytics, Adroit connects the shop floor to the boardroom. Secure, mobile, Industry 4.0 ready.
30 years of software development experience, 35,000 installations, one trusted partner, Adroit Technologies, your edge in automation, the future of industrial automation.